Happy Monday, all. This week you will complete an IRIS module about study skills. The module follows two students with disabilities that you might typically teach in secondary settings, how they struggle in school with executive functioning and study skills, and how teachers can use very specific strategies in order to help the students. Some of these skills will be compared to a student who is a high achiever in order to give you a better idea of how students use particular skills. Your reading check is to answer the assessment questions at the end of the module, and I've copied and pasted them here. And even though this is the instructions for the typical reading check, you can complete these using any format you choose, even if you've done the format 3 times before. If you want to write paragraphs or if you want to do a PowerPoint presentation, it really doesn't matter for this week. Also, don't forget for week 12, your online assignment part 2 was to complete the Nearpod presentation. I can see who has accessed the presentation and which questions you've completed, both in summary form, which is what you see in the screenshot here, or in detail. If you did not submit responses, then your presentation, accessing it, won't count. Completing the presentation is worth 10 points towards your attendance and participation grade for this semester. Here is what my summary report shows. And if you are one of the 0%ers right here, then you will not receive a score. You still have an opportunity to return to the presentation and complete the questions for participation. I'll give you a couple of extra days to do that. You can either access the presentation you already started, or you might have to enter your name again and continue through the presentation. Make sure you click send for each question you complete. And if you aren't sure what your score might be, email me and I will let you know. Also, I wanted to share this article with you. It says the White House and Michelle Obama released 250 million open ebooks app for Title I and special education teachers. And I'm including the link at the end of the announcement. Learn about the initiative here, and then how you can access the app and possibly if it would apply for you. Many of the schools that you all teach in would be considered Title I. All right, so that's it for this week. Please email me if you have any questions, and I hope everyone is doing well.